Hey guys. So I was bored and I just went ahead and built Titan Redeemer. If you guys know Pacific Rim Uprising, I like Pacific Rim, but I absolutely hate Pacific Rim Uprising. I don't like it, but I like the Jaegers in it. But I love Pacific Rim, the original one. I don't like the sequel. I only like the Jaegers in the sequel. So I was bored, and then since I like the Jaegers, I went ahead and built Titan Redeemer. Now these dudes are on PvP. So once I finish showing you guys Titan Redeemer, I'll probably PvP with them. So Titan Redeemer, very okay looking, I guess. But the thing is, the mace actually works. So yeah, but this is same as Bracer Phoenix. Like whenever you ready up the water, like if you use a cake, then you will just like stay here and you slowly move forward. But for these guys that have pistons, or for these guys that have maces, they always go here. And then whenever, you know that people like cake glitches can't go through the black walls or else they explode, right? So if like you can't run against the water, then you'll slowly die. So I'm not sure of what to do with that now. So basically this is Titan Redeemer. I'm gonna keep upgrading him, but that's him for right now. Titan Redeemer. Now, from my point of view, I think Titan Redeemer works. His mace works a lot better than Bracer Phoenix mace, and he got 4 pistons. Let's just turn on PvP. That's basically what Titan Redeemer is for right now. And Bracer Phoenix, I think why Bracer didn't do very well on his first combat is because I think the mace, like, it didn't work. So that's why it was hard to control Bracer. See, normally if you use a cake, then you could go against the water. But with Titan Redeemer, you can't do that. And with Bracer Phoenix, you can't do that. So that's one thing that would be bad. Well, you can waddle with him. Alright. Mace. So let's try to see if we can battle with Red. I think Titan Redeemer and Bracer Phoenix should only be battling on land, not water. So that's basically the mace, what it does. I'm gonna go ahead and waddle over Red. Come on, waddle over there. This is very annoying if you keep doing this. Redeemer, come on. There you go, finally. Put your hands up, or else I will shoot you with my mace. Oh my god. Alright. So let's just try to get this guy to PvP with us. What's up, dude? Want a PvP? Keep your hands up. Put your hands up. I'm gonna shoot you with my mace. I have no co-pilot. You know, I think my videos are getting crappier and crappier. I mean, the military base wasn't that bad. You want a PvP or what? Yeah, screw it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Goodbye.